Google just dropped a major image editing upgrade codenamed Nanobanana, and it is shockingly good at precise, natural edits and consistent characters. And here is an example of what the model has generated. I've given the lake view as an input with prompt giant whale jumping out of the lake, and this is what it has generated. It is very good at these local edits, and if you see the way the water splashes and also the reflection of the whale, interesting, right? And here is one more example. I've given two images as input, a bird and a person, with a prompt, a person holding the bird in a park. And this is how the model has blended these two images and generated a new image. Pretty interesting, right? You can also change the styles. I've added a stock image of a person wearing a black t-shirt with the prompt, a person in 90s, 80s dressing style. And this is what the model has generated. Let's try one more example. I'm attaching an empty room image with the prompt ocean blue sofa. Look at that. See, it did not change the background and it added a layer on top of our image and adding the sofas. The Nano Button upgrade brings powerful, controllable image editing tools to studio workflows, great for thumbnails, product shots, and social assets. If you find this video helpful, consider to